Hey guys, and on today's video, we're gonna be downloading an awesome game. So let's just get started. Let's just go right into PlayStation Store. On your PlayStation Store, you can go right into search. And then from search, that was on the top right hand side, we can see right away trending games. You guys will see that Valorant's right there. However, let's say you guys don't see it. Don't worry about it. Go right here, type up the game that you're looking for. Press on done. You're gonna see it, click on it, download, and there we go. This is 33 gigs, so make sure you have enough space. If something's happening, it's not downloading or it's not installing, it's like getting stuck somewhere, then just make sure other games are not downloading, other games are not updating, installing at the same time. Just do one at a time, cancel everything else, and then just go on with this one. Now it is 33 gigs, so how fast will this be for you? Depends on your internet speed. For some of you, it could just be 20 minutes, others even less. And then there's others that 30 gigs is a couple days. So it does always depend on your internet speed. Always use an Ethernet cable if you're having problems with your internet. So maybe you're too far away from your Wi-Fi. That means from your router. Then yeah, just move it closer, hook up that Ethernet cable, and everything will go faster. Of course, you have to be quite a bit close to your router to do that unless you have a really long cable. But anyways, right now it's downloading. All we have to do is just wait for that, and once it's done, we can start playing the game. So once the game fully downloads, just press on play and you are all done. Enjoy the game, guys, and that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.